The workshop was quite informative and enlightening one. It changed my perception on human beings.
So during this workshop, we were given a lot of interactive activities to do, and by engaging in these activities, we got to meet a lot of new friends.
In the program, we got to know the discourse and principles of human rights, the context of human rights in different countries, and most fundamentally, why is it so important for us Catholics to put forth human rights.
And what's the stand that is the Catholic Church is taking when it comes to human rights violations?
It is a very much rarely discussed topic in our country. We still have a lot of misconceptions about this topic. So it was a very beautiful platform to learn, discuss and share with all of the members from all over Asia.
Very few people have knowledge on this topic, and we feel very privileged to learn about this most needed but rarely discussed topic.
We have learned social analysis from 5 perspectives: historical, political, economics, social and cultural point of view. So every days of workshop we have to be brainstorm a lot, and so we gain a lot of knowledge and experiences and information exchange vice versa.
I have learned that what migrant exactly, regional, national and international. Then we know how we act to migrants in our country, and also learn how migrant life in another country in Asia Pacific.
We learn what type of problems they are facing and how to solve, and we also learn about how to manage the human rights and how to give a social impact about migration rights.
To the responses that the Catholic Church in our country, in other countries have given to make sure that migrant rights are protected. I also gained knowledge on how IMCS have taken action to address the issues that migrants face.
It was really nice to be part of this workshop wherein we learned and understand more about the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. And in this workshop, we learned also what development really means. We were given the chance to express our own ideas on how we as young individuals can contribute in creating and building a more sustainable community.
How to relate sustainable development goals with human rights and the link between sustainable development goals and human rights.
During the workshop, even we could not meet direct together, but we still can learn and share together. And I can share the situation in Vietnam, and my friend from another country can share the situation. And workshop, I think it is useful for us and give us the inspirations to work to contribute in the development of the church and the society.